This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. It is July 9th, and I want to do a quick video as relates to some of the market stocks and sectors seem to be breaking. And let me show you what I mean here. We'll take a snapshot of the financial sector. If you remember a couple of videos ago, I was talking about the airline stocks, which looked like they were breaking down. And in that video, I was talking about Delta, which we can see is approaching the recent monthly closing low. Now, if it goes on to crack below the recent monthly closing low, we know that's a major risk. And this is again based on the concept which I call the ultimate Muathe sell signal. And this is pretty much the inverse of what I call the Muathe ultimate Muathe breakout. So the ultimate Muathe breakout is just the ultimate Muathe sell signal in reverse. So we saw Delta looking like it might crack. We also saw American Airline looking like it can crack, might crack if it breaks to recent monthly closing lows below May 2020 monthly closing lows. If it does break, that's a major sell signal and potentially has some say into the direction of the general market. In other words, if the airline sectors are materially breaking, chances are the general market is also going to be pulling back. If we take a look at WFC, Wells Fargo, we can see, technically speaking, it broke below the monthly closing low from March and has been trading below that level since. And if this continues to be the case, and what this means is that we are looking at least one stock in the financial sector that is giving us a massive sell signal. We can also see that if we take a look at where the RSI is trading, the RSI is very bearish right now because it is trading below the threshold which we watch and track, and that threshold is at RSI 30.9. Because the monthly is trading below RSI 30.9, this is a massive red flag as far as this stock is concerned. And potentially, as long as the RSI is below 30.9, this is also has some weight as to the general direction of the financial sector. And we can see here, not only is the RSI breaking down as far as WFC is concerned, we can see that the MACDs are trading at 3-year lows at the very least, and this meets the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal. And again, as long as the RSI is trading below 30.9, what Wells Fargo is telling us is the market is now open. The possibility and the odds for the market reversing lower are very high. In other words, it's going to need Wells Fargo moving back above 30.9 to repair this damage. Now we can also see, if we take a look, for example, at Bank of America, BAC, we see that it too is coming close to its March 2020 monthly closing lows. And the risk here is, again, it's just a risk. If it breaks below this level, that's going to be a material breach. The RSI is going to be moving to 3-year lows when that happens, if it happens. And we can see right now the MACDs are already bearish because the MACDs are already trading at 3-year lows and also moving below zero on this MACD setting. So all of these things do paint to a possibility that the financial sector and the airline sectors are threatening, look like the odds are favoring a potential break. If the break happens, be on the lookout for the market to also capture the tone of a bearish financial and bearish airline sector. Now, of course, to repair this damage, the monthly closing lows need to hold. For example, Bank of America needs to hold above this level. If it can hold above this level, then the threat of lower prices is taken off the table, and if it can recapture higher levels above these lows, then the market might be stabilizing. A break is very bearish. Support above those levels is what the bulls want to see. In the description of the video, I'm going to have some links discussing the ultimate Muathe sell signal, and I'm also going to have some links discussing the ultimate Muathe breakout. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.